Alright, so hey hello guys, what's up everybody, it's your Ranjit Gautam and back to again in this video. Hey dude, and I hope you all will be happy and improving English with easy methods and improving English you in easy tricks in easy way. So dude, in this video there is no any topic of learning English, but no, it's not like that. You will improve here by watching this video, by listening this video. Okay, so and dude, there is a very serious topic, yeah dude, related to students. If you are a student, so please watch this video till the end. As you guys watching this, yeah dude, as you watching the circumstances of India, the leakage of paper, yeah dude, so I want to say you that if you are also preparing for any exam, but in the second hand papers are leaking, so how you can gain job? So that's why I want to say you all that learn this language, this English language, and this will improve you. And from this language, if you will learn this language, so you can gain any job, okay, easily. Because if you know English, so you can take any interview in English, and English is very very important for our life in this modern world. Okay dude, this is very important language. And you are seeing in Delhi, in Jantar Mantar, that there are many students are protesting because of they had worked hard. They were studying like 20 to like, yeah dude, 20 18 to 20 hours they were studying, yeah. But when they have when they have taken the exam, and that time paper was leaked, so many students fall in depression, and due to depression they have died, they have hanged, yeah. Many students, they have died because of depression, and because of paper leaking their parents also are in depression, and many students have died because of this leakage of paper, because of paper leakage, okay. Because of this exam leak, many students are in depression and they have died, and their parents are also in depression. But yeah dude, you can see the circumstances of India. So that's why I want I'm saying to you all, please learn this language, okay. It is not very impossible if you will learn this language. So this will, yeah dude, I am saying to you all, this is very easy language in the world, because this language is in our circumstances, yeah, in our surrounding. This language is in our surrounding, you can see anywhere, and you can easily speak this. Because in India, there all persons know about English, that what is English. It is not English, okay, it is not it is not a language for Indian. It is a subject. Do you know this thing, that it is a subject? I also knew I also confess this thing, that this is a subject, this is not a language. But now I know this is not only a language, yeah, this is not only a subject, this is a language also. And this is very simple language, okay. So dude, please learn this language. And there are many methods, many types of methods, many tricks, many tips of learning English. You can do mirror practice in alone, okay, if you want to improve. And dude, but you will have to learn, dude, this language, because this is very easy, and this is very easy to understand, easy to speak. You can firstly dude, try this. If you are not starting this, so how you can improve, how you can learn if you are not starting also? Okay, so please start firstly. Okay, start, dude. So dude, my purpose was to tell you that this is very important to learn English, because dude, in this world without English you will not survive betterly, because everywhere sentences in English mostly. Not, yeah dude, if you are going in Maharashtra, so you will find two languages in Marathi, and second is dude in English, not in Hindi. Everywhere you cannot find Hindi language. Okay, so this is very important language and very easy to understand, very easy to speak. Just to start. Okay, if you will start, so you will learn, you will improve, definitely improve, if you are following these all tricks which I have given you in my previous video. Okay, so please dude, learn English, be positive, keep learning, keep grow, and dude, support CJP, because they are fighting for their self. Okay, they are fighting for their hard work. So dude, please support them. Okay, and share this video, because if you will share, so they will aware for CJP, for these students. And yeah dude, for these students, yeah dude, for these students who are dying. Yeah dude, and what was the situation in their home, whose children are dying. Okay dude, so this is very bad thing of our India. Our education system is not good. So dude, please support. Okay dude, please share this video to your friends, to your any relative. Dude, please share and support. Okay, so dude, thank you so much for watching this video till the end, and I hope you are aware for your future, because their future has gone, dude, and many students have died. So please. Okay, so dude, and if you have any suggestion, if you have any advice, if you have any topic for me, okay, so please write in the comment section, and I will meet in my next video. So that's all for today, and I will meet in my next video. So bye bye for this time.